Hello, my strong seniors. Ready to feel more energetic and steady on your feet? These 3 simple leg exercises will keep your legs strong, your balance sharp, and your confidence high. Welcome to day 9 of our 60-day senior fitness series. If you're new here, start from day 1 and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay consistent on this amazing journey. All right, grab your chair and let's start our leg workout. Exercise 1, chair, sit and stand, 50 repetitions. All right, my strong seniors, it is time for our first exercise of the day, the chair, sit and stand. This exercise is one of the best ways to strengthen your thighs, knees and hips. It also helps improve your balance and makes your legs more stable when you walk or stand for a long time. Before we begin, please place a sturdy chair behind you. Make sure the chair does not move or slip. Stand straight in front of it, keep your feet shoulder width apart and relax your shoulders. Now slowly sit down on the chair. Feel your weight moving gently down as you bend your knees. When you reach the seat, pause for a second and then stand up straight again, pushing through your heels. That is 1 complete repetition. Remember, keep your back straight, your core tight, and avoid rushing. This exercise should be slow and controlled so your muscles can work properly. Let us begin counting together. We will go from 1 to 50. Ready? Let's do this together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Feel that strength building. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, halfway done, keep smiling. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, Amazing effort. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic work. Excellent. You have just completed 50 sit and stand repetitions. This is not easy, but you did it with strength and focus. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. You can feel the warmth in your legs. That is your muscles getting stronger every single day. If you are doing this on day 9, you are already building consistency and balance. Tell me in the comments, how are your legs feeling now? Are they getting stronger with each passing day? I want to hear from you. And do not forget to share this video with your senior friends so they can join you on this healthy journey too. Exercise 2, seated leg lifts, 50 repetitions each leg. All right, my strong seniors, now we move to our second exercise, the seated leg lifts. This movement is perfect for strengthening your thighs, knees, and hip joints. It also improves your walking stability and helps you maintain better balance in daily life. If you have been following our series, you will notice that your legs already feel stronger and more flexible by day 9. Let us begin. Sit comfortably on your sturdy chair with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands resting gently on the sides of the chair for support. Now slowly lift your right leg up, hold it in the air for 1 second, and then lower it down slowly. Do not swing your leg. Keep it smooth and controlled. That is 1 repetition. We will complete 50 repetitions on the right leg first, and then we will repeat the same on the left leg. Are you ready? Let's begin together, counting 1 by 1 out loud. Right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great work. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep that leg strong. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are doing amazing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Keep breathing. Stay steady. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Wonderful job! Now let us switch to the left leg. Sit tall, take a deep breath, and lift your left leg up, controlled and strong. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent control. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep pushing, stay balanced. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Halfway done. Great effort. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Your muscles are getting stronger. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic finish. Amazing job. You have completed 50 repetitions on each leg. Feel that gentle burn in your thighs and knees. That is your strength growing. If this is your 9th day, your legs must already feel firmer, more stable, and more confident. Keep showing up every day and share this video with your senior friends so they can build strength right along with you. Exercise 3, standing heel raises, 50 repetitions. All right, my strong seniors, now we are moving to our third and final exercise for today, the standing heel raises. This exercise is excellent for improving blood circulation in your legs, strengthening your calf muscles, and enhancing your overall balance and walking stability. It is especially helpful for preventing leg stiffness and swelling, which are common as we age. Please stand tall behind your sturdy chair and gently hold the backrest for balance. Keep your feet about shoulder width apart, your spine straight, and your shoulders relaxed. Now slowly lift your heels off the ground and stand on your toes, feeling your calf muscles tighten. Hold that position for 1 second, then lower your heels back down to the floor with control. That is 1 repetition. We are going to do 50 repetitions together. Stay strong, breathe deeply, and move steadily with me. Ready? Let us begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. Great start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Feel that strength building in your calves. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wonderful rhythm. Keep breathing. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Excellent posture. Do not stop now. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Fantastic job. You did it. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel that gentle warmth in your lower legs. That is your circulation improving and your muscles thanking you for moving. By doing this exercise daily, your calves will become stronger and you will feel lighter and more stable when walking or climbing stairs. If you are doing this on day 9, you are already building great consistency and control. Every day you show up, your strength improves, your energy rises, and your confidence grows. Now, tell me in the comments, which country are you joining from today? I love seeing seniors from all around the world staying strong together. And remember to share this video with 5 to 7 of your fellow seniors so they can benefit and exercise alongside you. Wonderful effort, my strong seniors. I am so proud of you. Great job, my strong seniors. You've completed day 9. That's amazing consistency. Let me know in the comments how you're feeling after today's session and share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can join you tomorrow for day 10. See you in the next one. Stay active, stay healthy.